Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Today, we're diving deep into the essentials of fueling your body for ultimate vitality and wellness. Whether you're a seasoned health guru or just starting out, these tips will help you nourish your body and mind. Variety is key. A diverse diet ensures you get a wide range of nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. Make your plate as colorful as a rainbow with fruits and veggies. Each color brings unique vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your immunity, boost your energy, and enhance your overall health. Next, let's talk about superfoods. These foods are particularly high in nutrients and can give you an extra health boost. Think leafy greens like spinach and kale, healthy fats from avocados and nuts, and powerhouse seeds like chia or flax. These nutrient-dense foods are essential to keeping you energized and focused throughout the day. Incorporating these into your meals can make a significant difference in how you feel. Complex carbs are your best friend. Whole grains, legumes, and sweet potatoes provide slow-releasing energy, which helps you stay active without those dreaded energy crashes. These foods are not only filling but also packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied longer. Quality protein is a must. Lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based options like tofu or lentils are crucial for repairing tissues, building muscle, and keeping you fuller for longer. Protein is the building block of life, and ensuring you get enough can help you maintain a healthy weight and support your overall well-being. Hydration is often overlooked. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. It's essential for digestion, circulation, and nutrient absorption. Water is the elixir of life, and staying hydrated can improve your mood, energy levels, and even your skin. Jazz it up with natural flavors like lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Remember, when you fuel your body with the best nutrients, you unlock energy, vitality, and focus. Small, consistent choices can create lasting change and empower you to live your best life. Cherish your health, folks. It's the foundation of everything you do. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on nourishing your body and living vibrantly. Thanks for watching. Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care and see you next time.